Beans with cassava. A main dish from Burundi. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Cook beans in pot of water. When the beans are almost cooked, add the cassava chunks and boil for 10 minutes until tender. Step 2. Heat the oil in a pan and cook the onion gently until it turns golden. Add the celery and let it soften. Step 3. Drain the beans and cassava and add them to the pan with the onion and celery. 4. Mash a little, season, and mix everything well. Step 4. An nbsp. Allow the mixture to heat through and blend for 5 to 10 minutes before serving with a green vegetable. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.